Welcome to Inkazumulo Center's YouTube channel. La sikhuluma khona ngakho konke okubandakanya nemarket. Igama uStan Lewis, your favorite trader. You just don't know it yet. Ngithanda ukubonga kubo bonke abasubscribile kule channel lena. Nisiza le channel ukuthi ikhule. Khona abangasubscribanga but bayawabuka ama video wami. Guys, ngicela nisubscribe. So, kuningi okuzayo, ngicela ni subscribe and enjoy the video that is coming right now. Namhla sibheka umehluko phakathi kwe-market maker buy model ne-market maker sell model nokuthi zivela kanjani. Mangiqala ngalami into engiyenzayo ukumakha this vertical line, then ngimakha i-high evela lapho ne-low yakhona. So this vertical line ngimakha ku-12 o'clock, like on the start of ilanga, ne? Then ngiya-checka ukuthi i-price izobreaka phezulu kuqala noma phansi. Mangabe i-break phezulu ingaya signal ukuthi okay, on this day buy nayithola, then ngilandelela structure. But before ngilandelela structure, I check buy side liquidity ekhona. So we have that buy side, those two equal highs, ne? Then ngizomarka my buy side liquidity, which is high, Asia high. Then ngimarke ne sell side liquidity, Asia low, ne? Then I follow a structure. So we have this sorry about that. We have this low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. So this was the first sign of a market structure shift. So price a shift la, market structure shift. Then we look for opportunities wokungena. Immediately masiqeda ukuthola market structure shift, we look for entry opportunities. So into ezibhekayo i-fair value gap, i-order block, i-inverse fair value gap nezinye izinto esizibhekayo. So in this case khona i-order block, yiyo le ngimakile la. I-price bezo reactor kuyo le order block, i-retrace into this order block, then yabhaya. So i-target yakho bekuzoba that Asia high lapha. So ifomaka ke i-market maker buy model. So manje let's look at the market maker sell model. I-market maker sell model nakhona I follow the same routine. Ngimaka the vertical line, then ngimaka i-high ne-low yale candlestick leli lapho kule vertical line. Then I check ukuthi i-price ile ya breaker i-low kuqala noma i-buy kuqala. So manje ngachecka lapha lo SSL means ukuthi sell side liquidity, u-BSL buy side liquidity. In this case i-price ile ya breaker phansi kuqala, but before izosela kamele yenzeni, kamele izothatha ama buy side liquidity, right? So that's your buy side liquidity, Asia high, then we have Asia low. So sizotargeta this Asia low right here, sell side liquidity. Then we look for a structure. So we have high, low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then a lower low. So this is a first sign of a shift in market structure. So say ifuna ukusell market, then we look for selling opportunities wethu, which is a fair value gap, order block, noma ezinye izinto. So in this case we have ezinye izinto, which is week. ICT said we can use weeks as a fair value gap. So mangabe bosele kule fair value gap as like 50% yale fair value gap le bozo targeta i-sell side. So this is a buy side liquidity le ngimakaya la i-London high. Then bozo sella lapha, then utarget le low le la. So le typical market maker sell model. I hope this makes sense, guys. And then I wanna let you repeat every time. Thanks, guys, and subscribe to my channel, please.